distinct opportunity to present to you Mr. Martin Brosman, who is going to show us what has been hinted about on social media and have an unveiling. And as I turn this over to him, please congratulate him as you get a chance to, because today is his birthday.
Yeah. Excellent. Thanks, man. I'm excited. I'm going to bring this over. Where's Rooney? All right, well, I'll say something first. I have to say, I don't think I need a microphone. I was giving a talk the other day, and someone came up and said, "That was a great talk." I said, "I didn't see you in the audience." And he said, "I was next door at a boring CPA conference. We could hear you through the walls." But Rooney is, to me, one of those anchors throughout St. Andrews that either people know him and love him, know him and experience something, or they didn't come to the lab. But with the collective of St. Andrews people, all with different views and perspectives, one thing we can agree on is Rooney. You know, and that's why when the Alumni Council, thanks to Gary and the whole team, we wanted to get something that we produced that was an anchor through time. And the greatest anchor through St. Andrews is the environment. This is a sacred space for me. Walking on the Causewalk, seeing the place, that's a sacred space. And who's captured that better than Rooney? So the idea is to get a book together, a picture book. We've got yearbooks, we've got students, but of the space. And I talked to him and he says, "I just want to make sure we do this." And he was so concerned about involving different people and talking about them. And I said, "I want to get it done." You know, and so we're going to reveal the cover of the book. The goal, we have the basic structure done of pictures, thanks to tremendous work of Rooney and our I guess, former leader. Is that right? About 5 hours. And it's going to be a quality book, and the goal is to be a fundraiser. So there'll be some type of pre-release version. We're shooting for the fall. We want to get a proof of concept, a color book out, and then it's going to be something you want to have on your table. This is something that really represents this sacred space for us. So Rooney, can somebody take pictures so Rooney can come down and we unveil this? I'm going, who's going to take pictures? Will you take a few pictures there for him? Come on down, sir. Now, I do have to say something about this great man. I'm convinced that formaldehyde is what keeps him looking the same all these years. That face in person is the same guy I knew when I graduated in '83. You know, so let's reveal this. And he had picked out the cover. Let's make sure we get this right. Okay. Look at this thing. Isn't this beautiful? Isn't this extraordinary? So we'll get over here, Rooney. And I just want you to know that's his picture. And he insisted one version had his name big. He goes, "No, St. Andrews needs to be bigger than my name." So we're so excited. And we're working on getting the book done. And we also want to thank the marketing team, Big Tomato, is that right? Big Tomato Marketing, because they are making it possible so we can do it. So we really want to thank them, and also thank them for the great work of working with St. Andrews for marketing as well. So anything you want to add to this?
No.
I know he loves speaking, but I really see it as visual poetry, and that's what I described. I said, "Rooney, let's not make this a documentary. Let's make this visual poetry." So, thanks, buddy. So this will be out. We'll show it off tonight, and then Rooney will have it for display. So, thanks, gang.
We have something in the works. Been in the works for 3 years, and I'm going to take a little credit that I put Martin in charge of this. Yeah, because Martin is a dog with a bone. This will happen. This will happen. And so,
yeah. So I'll just mention real clearly, we're going to have a Rooney Kaufman picture book. Yeah. What do you have, Rooney? Don't get a picture of them. And he was always concerned about everybody else. I said, Rooney, this needs to be your book of visual poetry of this sacred space. And that's what it's going to be. So we're excited. And this guy put a lot of time in it too. So anyway, that's what I want to say. He'll be coming out this fall. We'll communicate on pre-orders. We'll have some special editions and so forth. So just watch out for alumni stuff. Well, we're excited to make it happen. 100 pages. A nice picture on each page. Okay.